Welcome to Painted Kids Studio, where we make amazing art videos. Hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can be notified every time we post a new art video.
Welcome back to Painted Kids. This is Jessica, and just like many of you guys out there, I have fallen in love with the cute little baby Yoda. So today we're going to be learning to draw baby Yoda, but we're putting a fun holiday spin on it. All right, let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is baby Yoda's head. So we're going to do a nice little curved line here, and then we're going to put a little bit of a line on either end. We're just doing a little short line, nothing too long. And then we're going to go just right above this line. We're going to be leaving a space, and we're going to do the fuzzies for our Santa hat. So to make our little fluff, we're going to just do little half circles all the way across, and then bring it up and all the way around just to make the brim of our Santa hat. Just like that. And it doesn't have to be perfect, it can be different sizes. Then we're going to do two slanted lines on either end, and they're going to be short lines, and then we're going to bring it across, bring it in, and then we're going to do some little fluff on the end of his Santa hat, just like this. All right, and now that we have this all done, we left that space there for his ears because we don't want to have to erase any lines. So I'm going to do a little line in between his hat and his little fluff ball there, bring it out, and then I'm going to bring it in just like this. And that's going to be the top part of the ear. Okay, we're going to go to the other side, we'll bring it out, and then bring it back in. So a really long triangle, almost like a really thin pizza slice kind of look. Then we're going to do the cuff around his neck. Now his hands are going to be up, so we're not going to go completely around. So we're just going to do our half circles down. I did about 4 on each side, and then I stopped. I want there to be space. And then I can do the bottom half of his ear. So just bring it in and then connect to the top there. So it almost looks like a little flower petal. Then I'm going to do a pancake shape right at the top, right underneath his chin there, and that's the top of our cup. Now we're going to put his hands around his cup, and he has these little almost triangular shaped fingers. So we're going to do a triangle right at the very edge of our cup. So here's one triangle. We're going to do 1 and then 2, so there's 3 total, and then we're going to bring it around. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 triangles, and then bring it around. Then we're going to do his little fingernails. So we just do a line to show where his fingernails are. And then we're going to finish the rest of his cup. So bring a line down on either side, and then we're going to connect it with a curved line, and there's our cup. And then a little line on the inside to show where his hot chocolate is. And we do his little fluffies on his Santa cup. So 1, 2, 3, and then we connect it to the cup, just like this. And then we're going to do a U shape for his arms, and we're going to make sure it connects to his collar fuzzies there, and then connect it to the rest of his arm. And then he has this long kind of robe. We're going to bring those lines down, and then we're going to do fluffies all on the bottom of it here. And they don't have to be perfect, and they don't have to be perfectly round or anything like that. Just make them nice and fluffy. There we go. All right, and there is our baby Yoda body. So now we're going to go up and we're going to do his face. So for his eyes, we're just going to do big half circles, and he has really big eyes. And then just a little curved line underneath it, big half circle, and then a curved line underneath. And then we're going to give him his little nose, a little half smile here, and then some lines where his little eyes come up. There we go. And then we're going to put the highlights in his eyes. So we're going to do a nice big circle here on one eye. Going to go to the other eye. We're going to go to the other eye and do the same thing, and we're going to put all these highlights in the same spot. Medium circle, and then a little circle. And that little circle is going to go right on top of that medium circle, and the medium circle is diagonal from our big circle. And there are our eyes, and now we can just fill in with black. There we go. And then we color our hot chocolate mug, and I decided to do a nice teal color. So brown for my hot chocolate, teal for my cup, and then a little bit darker teal for the inside of the cup. And I wanted to put a snowflake on my cup, so I'm going to show you guys real quick how we're going to do this. Now, before you color your cup, you can do it in Sharpie if you want, or in pencil, or you can wait and do it on top. So, do a circle in the center, then we put a line straight through, a line horizontal, a line diagonal, and then another line diagonal, just like this. And then we just put little diagonal lines coming off the end of each of the sticks, just like this. And it doesn't have to be perfect, and they don't all have to match. I'm kind of making them just so that they fit, so they're not, you know, crossing over each other, putting them on different little spots. And I just go around to each one. I do 4 total. And if you make your snowflake bigger, then you could probably add some more, but this is a really small snowflake, so this is all the room that I had. Or you can design your very own snowflake, up to you. And you don't even have to put a snowflake on it. You can do polka dots or stripes or whatever you guys feel like. All right, and there is his cup. And the rest of it's pretty straightforward and simple, just red for his little Santa costume, and then Baby Yoda is green, and then I did the inside of his ears in a nice pink color. So if you guys like this video, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more fun videos just like this one, head on over to our channel and hit that subscribe button. We have a whole list of fun characters all the way from Elsa and Anna from Frozen to Unikitty and more. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you next time.
Okay, bye!